Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the levels to your points on your WPS Office Writer mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert levels on your WPS document or WPS Writer. So first of all, I'm just going to paste some points here. I'm just going to select these points. Then you just need to click on this particular icon here to expand the text formatting toolbar. So just scroll down, you will see an option of called this option, which is called levels. So if you just need a more, just click on the start option. You can just scroll down, you can see it's a level. So what a level? So you can just make another small points between this, like just make a space here, and like this you can just make a small points of levels by using this particular option. There is different levels out here. You can just note here by clicking on this three dot option. You can see this is a levels. So you can see this article one. You can see how it's going to make this, like in the third subdivision you will have an article 1 like that. This is called the levels. You can just make as chapter 1 or key points like that. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.